Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Vantrue Dash Cams that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Vantrue Hardwire Kit. This product is perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly solution to power their dash cams continuously. The kit connects directly to your vehicle's battery, enabling 24/7 parking surveillance. It's equipped with low-voltage protection to ensure your car battery isn't drained, shutting off power automatically when the voltage drops below a threshold. This is a fantastic feature for preserving battery life, especially in colder climates. The design is straightforward and functional, featuring a Type-C USB connector compatible with multiple Vantrue models. It frees up your cigarette lighter port, which is a huge bonus if you're already using it for other devices. Installation is relatively simple, but beginners may want to watch the provided video tutorial to ensure compatibility with their vehicle. This Hardwire kit is ideal for users who value convenience and want a reliable power source for their dash cam. While it's not a camera itself, this accessory is indispensable for maximizing the functionality of your dash cam. Its affordability makes it an easy addition for anyone looking to enhance their dash cam setup. The downside? It's only compatible with certain Vantrue models, so double-check your dash cam before purchasing. Coming in at number 4 is the Red Tiger F7NP dash cam. This dual-channel setup features a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, ensuring exceptional video quality for both ends of your vehicle. The wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots, while HDR and WDR technology delivers superior night vision, capturing crucial details even in low-light conditions. It also includes a 32GB memory card, which is a thoughtful addition for out-of-the-box usability. The F7NP is designed with convenience in mind. It boasts built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, enabling seamless connectivity to your smartphone via the Red Tiger app. You can easily download and share videos or track your driving route and speed using Google Maps. The 3.16-inch IPS screen provides a crisp display for reviewing footage directly on the device. Installation is straightforward with the suction mount, making it accessible even for first-time users. While the F7NP offers excellent value for its price, it does have limitations. The rear camera requires a 21.3 feet cable for installation, which might be cumbersome for larger vehicles. Additionally, advanced features like continuous parking mode require a Hardwire kit. However, for under $100, this dash cam delivers a solid combination of performance, reliability, and ease of use, making it ideal for budget-conscious drivers. At number 3, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro Dual Dash Cam, a top pick for rideshare drivers like Uber and Lyft. This dual-channel camera records both the road ahead and the cabin interior in 1080p resolution, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. When switched to front-only mode, it captures 2.5K footage for even greater clarity. The infrared night vision ensures flawless interior recording, even in complete darkness, making it perfect for nighttime driving. The N2 Pro is packed with features like motion-activated parking mode, seamless loop recording, and a G-sensor that locks collision footage to prevent overwriting. Its build quality is robust, with excellent heat resistance thanks to the supercapacitor. While it lacks Wi-Fi, the optional GPS mount allows you to track driving routes and speed. The compact design and suction mount make installation hassle-free. The N2 Pro is ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone needing interior footage. Its dual functionality and reliability are strong selling points, though the lack of Wi-Fi could be a drawback for some. Overall, its performance and durability make it a worthwhile investment for professionals and families alike. At number 2, we have the Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam, a powerhouse for comprehensive coverage. With 3 cameras capturing the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously, This dash cam is perfect for rideshare drivers and families alike. The front camera records in stunning 4K, while the interior and rear cameras capture in 1440p and 1080p, respectively. Its wide-angle lenses and infrared night vision ensure that every detail is captured, even in low-light conditions. The N4 is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, thanks to its supercapacitor. It features a 24-hour parking mode, activated by motion or collision detection, and supports up to 256 gigabytes of external memory for ample storage. However, it does not include Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, which might be a drawback for some users. Installation is straightforward, and the included 20-foot rear camera cable accommodates most vehicle types. This dashcam is ideal for users seeking full coverage and reliability. The lack of Wi-Fi might limit convenience, but its durability and high-resolution recording make it a standout choice for those who prioritize video quality and long-term performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the Vantrue N5 4-channel dashcam, the ultimate solution for 360-degree coverage. With 4 cameras capturing the front, rear, cabin, and sides simultaneously, this dashcam offers unparalleled protection. The front camera records in 2.7K resolution, while the other 3 cameras capture in 1080p. Its Starvis 2 sensor and IR night vision ensure excellent video quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. This makes it ideal for rideshare drivers, families, and commercial fleets. The N5 is packed with advanced features, including 5G Wi-Fi for fast video transfers and OTA firmware updates. The GPS module tracks location and speed with precision, while voice control allows hands-free operation for added safety. The buffered parking mode records suspicious events in full detail, and the supercapacitor ensures reliable performance in extreme temperatures. With support for up to 512 gigabyte cards, storage is never an issue. While the N5 is the most expensive option, its premium features and comprehensive coverage make it worth the investment. It's the perfect choice for users who refuse to compromise on quality, safety, or functionality, making it the best dashcam on our list for 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.